Hi everyone. I was actually taking an afternoon nap, but I was sleeping. Like I was not very deep asleep, but I was sleeping and I got this sudden urge, this sudden I always make videos on my gut feeling. Like when I strongly feel an urge to go and deliver a message, then only my eyes are still sleepy. Then only I come up to make a video, and I was like, I don't know, I had this sudden push inside of me, like go, 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 go. People need to listen to you right now. You have to channel some very important messages. So that's why I'm here. I don't know what will come up, so let me just take a deep breath and I'll try connecting to the energy of the people who will watch this video. And yeah, you people find it very difficult to surrender things. I'm picking up on a very controlling energy. Don't mind my words. I'm just telling you whatever you need to hear right now, whatever I'm being guided to say. You like to control things a lot. Everything should happen according to you. Every person should behave according to you. You realize it or not, this is a pattern of yours. And when things don't go the way you want them to, because of course it won't, you get very restless. I'm picking up on this very restless energy right now. You know why you find it so difficult to surrender? Because you feel like you can control things. When you realize, जैसे आई एम चैनलिंग दैट, हिंदी बोलूँगी थोड़ा सा बिकॉज हिंदी में याद आ रहा है वो मैसेज. आई एम चैनलिंग दैट महाभारत में, द Star Plus वाला महाभारत आई यूज टू वॉच. सो कृष्णा इन वन ऑफ हिज कॉन्वर्सेशंस विद अर्जुन टोल्ड दैट जब व्यक्ति ये समझ जाता है कि वो स्वयं कुछ नहीं करता, तभी वो like then only he is on the right path and he progresses in his life or something like that. Please go and watch that episode or something. I don't know, this was very channeled. I'm not able to recollect the exact sentence, but yeah, very random. Oh my god. I sense a lot of this. Please don't mind my words, okay? Please don't hate on me for this. I'm channeling a lot of this heavy, revengeful energy. Like someone hurt you, it can be a friend or anybody, take it however it fits into your situation. And I'm getting this vision like someone is sleeping and thinking, उसको नींद नहीं आ रही है, वो बस सोचता जा रहा है कि कब, when will this person pay back for whatever he did to me or she did to me? When will karma hit back? When will karma hit back? Now you are being told here that whatever they did is their karma and it's on God to decide what to give them back. But if you don't do your inner work, oh my god, if you don't heal yourself, even if that person gets his or her karma back, you won't be happy or satisfied or peaceful in your own life because you are wounded. You are still wounded even if you see that person suffering, because I'm getting this energy right now that you want somebody to pay back for their actions. And even if they pay back for their actions, even if you see them repenting or uh, like suffering for their actions, you will still not be happy. You're feeling right now that you will feel like, oh yay, finally this happened. You won't feel that because you are not healed. And when you progress in your healing journey, when you try to heal yourself, you will forget about whatever has happened with you. You will let go of that hurt, you will let go of that resentment. And trust me, when you, because healing is a journey, it is a lifelong journey. It does not happen in a day or two. It takes years and it's not linear. Healing is not linear, it's always going to be like this, and it is a journey that can never be complete. No matter how much you heal yourself, there's still more to do. You can never be perfect. But when you progress in your healing journey, if you hear back that this happened with this person, whoever has wronged you, you will reach such a stage in life that you'll start feeling bad for even those people who have hurt you, and you'll start praying for them and wishing good for them. So also I'm sensing that you have some fixed mindsets that you really need to shift, or you need to alter or change them. Become a kid again, look at life with a different lens. Maybe your traumas and your triggers have made you so that 444, as I said, that have made you so that आपने एक चश्मा पहन रखा है, उस चश्मे से आप हर एक इंसान को सिर्फ एंगर, जेलसी, हेट्रेड, क्रिटिसिज्म की नज़र से देखते हो। आपको चश्मा निकालना है और बाहर फेंक देना है क्योंकि आपकी आंखें बिल्कुल सही है। इज़ दिस मेकिंग सेंस? आपको उस चश्मे पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज the natural way you see and perceive people is with the emotion of love and purity. But because of a few instances, you feel that your vision is blurred and you're wearing the spectacles of anger, hatred, jealousy, doubt, and all of that. So you're being told that put off those spectacles, you don't need them. You will know if this message is for you. You guys are good people, like internally I can sense a very loving, nurturing vibe from you guys. But you have to understand that, for example, अगर आप एक 5 साल के बच्चे को एक डायमंड रिंग ला के देते हो, वो उसको देखेगा, उसको समझ में नहीं आएगा, उसको शायद पसंद ना आए, वो फेंक देगा। आपको लगेगा व्हाट द हेल इज़ रॉन्ग विथ यू, राइट? बिकॉज उस बच्चे को वो समझ, he does not know or she does not know the value of that ring, right? I don't know if I'm able to explain it to you. I think I'm still sleepy, but I still wanted to make this video because I listen to my intuition, I listen to my gut feeling. So because that kid does not know the value of a diamond ring, he does not care about it. उसे उसका सुपर हीरो वाला बाईसाइकिल वाला टॉय चाहिए, या फिर अगर एक लड़की है तो उसको डॉल चाहिए, बारबी चाहिए। आप उसको वो ला के दोगे तो ही वो खुश होगा। व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू हियर इज, मे बी what you're offering to your person or a friend or your family, or take it however it fits into your situation, whatever you're offering them, for you it is a very high value thing, but for them it is not what they want out of you, and that is creating a lot of tussle and disturbance. I also feel some of you are stuck in such toxic situations. It can be relationships, friendships, work situations where you know that it is a dead end, but you still don't, either you're willingly not coming. I channeled this yesterday also for some people. The same message is coming up again. You are willingly not able to step out of it. You might be seeing 999, which is 999 a lot, which is telling you to step out of that cycle. See, it is like, for example, imagine this thing to be a rubber band. वो हम बचपन में करते थे ना स्कूल में, like ऐसे इसको लगा के खींचना और फिर रिलीज करना. A relationship which is no longer, relationship is just an example, a situation which is no longer serving you. The more you stretch it, when you release it, the more it will hurt. Make sense? Yeah. What else? I think if you're saying 44 or 444, or sorry, 4444 or 444, you are I'm visualizing this bubble around you of protection. Your evil forces will just takraw with the bubble and just, oh my god, what am I talking? I don't know, it's not me speaking, right? What I'm trying to tell you is you are protected. You are in the energy bubble of protection. Your guides are always, you guys can be a little clumsy, like कुछ लेते होगे, पानी ले रहे हो, गिर जा रहा है, और कभी कुछ चलते चलते यू आर टकरा जा रहे हो किसी के साथ. So this is when things like these happen with you. Your spirit guides are trying to tell you that they are around you and you are protected. I think that's all. और एक चीज़ कुछ मेरे दिमाग में था, मुझे बोलना था. For example, if you're making chai, right, you need tea, like tea leaves, chai patti, sugar to make it, milk. Now the sugar, the container that holds sugar is kept at the same place every day when you make chai. So it is your muscle memory that you have to take it from that very place and put sugar. But someday someone has kept, please be with me, please try to understand what I'm telling you. It's very difficult for me to channel this. Someday somebody has mixed it with salt, and you, because it's so you're so acquainted to taking sugar from that same place, you will not even look if it's sugar. You'll just take it, you'll open the bottle and you'll put it. But then what do, you put salt in your chai and everything, and it becomes bad, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is you have such limiting beliefs, set beliefs, कि ये पर्सन ऐसा ही करने वाला है, ये ऐसा ही होने वाला है, इस सिचुएशन में मैं जाऊँगी तो यही होगा, यही एंड आउटकम आप सोच के बैठे हुए हो। आपने दिमाग में बना लिया है कि नो मैटर इफ़ आई ट्राई अगेन दिस इज़ ओनली गोइंग टू हैपन। बट angels are telling you, the universe is telling you to give life another chance. You don't know everything. Even if you feel like, okay, this is only going to happen, life might surprise you any moment. Be a kid again. Start, enjoy life. You are rejecting good experiences of life because I understand sometimes our trauma is speaking, but give life another chance, is what I'm hearing for you. Okay, thank you so much. Let me know if you like this video. I'll go back to sleep.